Welcome to Kartra Features segment, brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. Ready to go? Let's dive in. Hi everyone. So Kartra announced today 50 plus new page templates, and this is actually quite a long list. So I'm looking forward to reviewing these with you. These types of news and alerts are coming from the bell icon up on the top. This is where you would see this type of a notification. So these are page templates, not campaigns. So it's important that we don't go to the campaigns here to search for them. They are actually part of the pages. I'll show you how to get there. So let's see which pages are good and which ones are recommended for the use. So how do you create a brand new page in Kartra from scratch? You go to the bottom right corner and click on the green button, New Page. You have an option of creating a page from scratch. You can start with a blank canvas. You can also save some of your pages to favorites, so you can start from your own template, but then you have a whole list of new templates, page templates. Sorry, not all of them are new. You will see that, for example, squeeze pages, we don't have any new templates. So let's keep searching until we find a new one and see if they bring anything exciting to Kartra environment. Oh, there we go. We have a whole bunch of new pages that are clearly marked. Now, on a first look, they don't look that new. Like you can decide that for yourself. The existing pages are in here. And keep in mind that we have video sales pages. So we have an embedded video player inside of a page. So let's take a look at some of the pages, maybe in more depth, a bigger preview. We'll get we'll get more excited about it. Okay, so this is actually a very good page, right? Because it is a video sales page, but it does have the product information, money back guarantee, testimonials, and choose your plan option. Here is what's new. It's this type of a wavy line accent that you couldn't find in many of the templates before. So well done, Kartra. I like that. We have a header, we have a footer, so it is a complete page. I like that. Definitely, I'm going to add that to my portfolio of pages that I will use. Let's take a look at the next one. All right, yeah, very typical short video sales page with the bio and photograph. Very good page. I like that as well. All right. Not super crazy about this one, to be honest, but it's effective, right? Especially on a mobile device, it would work very well. Really nice touch with these boxes that you can reuse, change this image. Yeah, fantastic. Love this one. Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised how good this design is. We have one with the timer here, which is also a good idea. Timer in the header, shopping cart, very nicely designed. I wonder who designs that for Kartra, because their campaigns are not that effective, but this is really good. I'm sure you can find something in here. All right, so the theme emerges that these are good pages. Look at this. You see the wiggly line here again. Let's preview this. And now they have the consistent colors. That was always my problem within the campaigns, that they were using colors that were not part of the same palette. Really well done. Let's maybe review one of these, another squiggly line. Yeah, that one maybe not that great, but let me show you one of the older ones and you can appreciate the difference. The pages were designed like this. Actually, this is a pretty good design too. So the fact that I have new pages, that's great. I think the color palette is a little better in the new pages. All right, let's see. Do they have any new thank you pages? No new thank you pages. Long sales pages, a couple of new pages. I already like that. I like the blobs. Let's see. This is a long sales page, so it should have more content. Okay, it's kind of a meh reaction. Nothing special here. Let's look at this one. Yeah, pretty good page as well. Um, I like the colors, the a little more subdued palette rather than those loud colors they had before. Some of the older designs, just to give you contrast, this is how the long sales pages used to look. Okay, coming soon. Do we have anything new here? No. Product launch, yeah, we have a bunch of them here. Good. So let's start from the top. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I don't like these loud colors. I don't see them a lot on other websites out there, so I don't know why Kartra is insisting in putting those what I call the basic colors, but at least they match that here and here, so there is a consistency. I just personally don't like these colors, and I never design that for my clients. So let's jump maybe to this one. It looks interesting. Yeah, that's really good. Multiple videos. I like that. So product launch. Maybe something from here. All of them seem to have multiple videos. Yeah, I like that style as well. You can reuse these. That doesn't have to be product launch. It could be membership and other things. All right, product review. Nothing here. Webinar registration. Okay, we have new pages. That's good. Oh, that's interesting. I actually recently was designing a webinar registration page, which looks quite similar to this one. So you have the register now. I like this organic kind of a wavy style. Yeah, okay. Not crazy about the colors, but they can be changed. Let's look at this one. Yeah, I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments if you like those solid colors. I think you heard enough about me not liking them. Let's go to checkout pages. Nothing new. 404, probably not. Upsell pages. Nothing new here. Membership login. They mentioned they have new membership login pages. All right. Which one out of these has the best color scheme for me? I don't know. Maybe none of them. So let's start from here. Okay. It's all right. Nothing special. Okay. Why would I leave this blank area? Even the image itself doesn't enhance it. Not impressed with this. Let's look here. Okay. Yeah, average. I'm looking forward to their blog. Let's see what they've done there, but let's scroll through all of them. Live event, nothing here. Affiliate pages. Oh, new affiliate pages. Good. All right, so let's say this one. How it works. Yeah, that's brilliant. Commission. Yeah, perfect. I love this page. I would change the color a bit, but definitely useful. And look how many components you can reuse across other pages. You can save the sections and use them elsewhere. Love it. Legal pages, nothing new. Blog posts, they mentioned they have, new blog, but I don't see anything marked as new. Let's just review the first one from the top. Okay. I don't know what to say about this. It's really not that impressive. It's just a long page. Okay, so no new blog. Oh, maybe blog homes. Yeah, blog posts and blog homes. Let's see, do they have an? Yes, that's where they plugged in the new pages. All right, storyteller's blog. Very nice. All right, I'm buying it now. It's a little better. And maybe something lighter. Preview this. That will work. Yep, I like it. Well done, Kartra. Personal branding. Yeah, this was really nicely done in the past. They stopped adding new pages, but yeah, I really like a few of their pages. Like this is one of my favorite. That's not new, but this one was well designed. Personal branding. Okay, so podcast pages. Let's see, what do we have in podcast pages? Nothing new here, but just so you see, the podcast pages are built in this way, where you have the player buttons embedded in the page and pricing. Good. All right, and marketplace. We have 1 free learning sessions. Okay, I'm not sure what they will do here. Our services. Yeah, that's interesting. You can see they designed the full width, which is unusual. You don't see the full width design. Typically you have the daylight like this, but the full width, I think I'm going to grab this component, this section rather, maybe even this one, because I like that with the call to action and the full image. We had this before, so that's not brand new. All right, well, let me know what you think. I think that this is well done. So maybe just to demonstrate, how would you use a page like this? So once you preview that, you exit the preview and you select it. Once you select it, you launch Builder. You give it a name. So let's say new page template test. Category is optional, so I'm going to say no category and no site. And when I create this page, it actually copies the template into my pages in Kartra, and then I can edit the components inside of Kartra. The loading of a page takes sometimes 5 to 10 seconds. And after that, yeah, this was actually relatively quicker than the most, because my green button is already activated. If it's not, that means you're still loading the logic for the page. Okay, so scrolling down, yeah, well done. Let's look at the settings. Did they plug into anything into SEO? Just the new page template test, so nothing in here. So nothing has changed in terms of any suggested content, but you can start editing the logos, images from here. All right, so that's it. Let me know if you like the content, subscribe and hit like the button, and I appreciate your support. Thank you. Subscribe if you like the content, or visit our website for more information. Join us on Patreon. Thank you for supporting your channel. And thank you. See you in the next video.